Good morning guys, and in front of me is MatePad 11.5 from 2025, and let me show you how to check for software updates. So at first, unroll the settings, then find and select System and Updates. Here mark the top option, which is System Update. And it will be automatically scanned. As you can see, the software is up to date. If you want to check it one more time, just mark check for updates again, but still it's all okay. But whenever there is some new version to download, you will be informed here, and you will be able to update it straight from this panel. So here, instead of check for updates, you will notice update system. And that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.